So you can see here is the update regarding Sibnobi and what they had posted. Sinja price display, Etherscan, MetaMask and Coinbase wallet should now be displaying much more accurate price of Sinja. Means now in Etherscan, MetaMask and Coinbase wallet you can see a accurate price of Sinja, means much more accurate price of Sinja. But we are still working with CoinMarketCap to correct data on their end. As you can see Sinja price in CoinMarketCap also, but you can't see their correct data for now, and they are working with CoinMarketCap so that you can see correct data on their end. So this is the update regarding Sibnobi, and now we will check the current price of Sibnobi. So I am in CoinMarketCap and this is the price of Sibnobi. But as you can see in Twitter, they have written that they are working on their end. So I'm not commenting on price now, okay? But if I talk about trading volume, so according to trading volume, it is 28.86% up. And if I talk about market rank, the market rank of Sibnobi token, Sinja token cryptocurrency is 2930. If you want to trade Sibnobi, then I will show you the platform from where you can trade Sibnobi. But investment in any cryptocurrency totally depends upon you because I am not a financial advisor. So let's check the cryptocurrency from where you can trade Sibnobi. Let's check the platform from where you can trade Sibnobi. So Uniswap V2 Probit L Global Awesome platform, from here you can see Uniswap V2 Probit, like this awesome platform from where you can trade Sibnobi. Also please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Again I am repeating, Uniswap V2 Probit Global, these are some platform from where you can trade Sibnobi.